Today is June 18, 2024, and I record this video for documentation of my digital business journey. This one is all about Rocket PH journey. So if you are not familiar with Rocket PH, si Rocket PH ay isang platform where you can upload or post your digital products as well, na hindi mo kailangan gumawa ng sales funnel or wala din siyang mga email automation. Kung naghahanap ka ng platform kung saan mo pwedeng ibenta yung mga digital products mo, then I recommend Rocket PH. And then libre lang din po ang paggawa ng account, and then yung pag-post ng mga products mo doon is libre lang. And then you will only get charged kapag meron ka ng kinita doon sa platform. Kasi last month, I posted on my social media account, lalo na sa TikTok, that I uploaded my digital products kay Rocket PH without expecting of any return or sales. Gusto ko lang i-try, gusto ko lang masubukan yung platform kung kikita ba ako doon. Ayun nga guys, hindi ko naman siya active na pinopromote yung Rocket PH na store ko kasi nga meron akong funnels, meron akong emails, and meron akong sariling website where I promote my products. And then, just 1 month later, I got this. Yes, that is my first sale in Rocket PH. And hindi lang yun, nasundan pa siya nito. Second one, diba? Super cool. And I will show you sa aking dashboard right now. And by the way guys, this is not to brag. Kasi gusto ko lang talaga i-share yung opportunity na ito, lalo na sa mga katulad ko na nag-start pa lang din sa digital business. Actually, matagal ako nag-start pero wala akong result for the past 5 years. So, ayun, it's another story naman siya guys. Let's proceed to the dashboard ng Rocket PH. So guys, if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your store in Rocket PH, just leave a comment below sa video para magawan ko din siya ng tutorials for you. So here, once mag-login ka na sa yung account, click mo lang yung profile, and then let's go to my Rocketer dashboard, and then click natin itong my wallet. And zero balance siya guys kasi ni-withdraw ko na siya kaagad. So here, as you can see here, this is my first sale si System.io digital kit noong June 9, 2024. And then, tingnan natin yung breakdown. So yung price na nakalagay sa akin is $499. And then, meron silang fees na Rocket transaction fee na $49. And then, payment processing fee na 12 pesos. So, your net profit is 436.26. So, that's how they charge you kapag meron ka ng benta. And then, as you can see here, I have pending pa na income. So, this is 600 aesthetic video for Reels. Nung June 15 po siya in order. So, I will show you my products. So, this is my products, guys. As you can see here, meron pa lang akong 5 products. Ayan. And I'm planning to add more products in the future. Because why not, diba? Kumikita na ako. So, it's proven that it's working. So, ayun guys, hindi pa naman ganun kalakihan yung income ko dito kay Rocket PH. But somehow, I'm so thankful kasi organic lang yung sales. Meaning, hindi ako nag-run ng ads to promote my Rocket PH store. Ayan, sobrang saya lang talaga na kahit pa paano I've got a sale. Ito yung isa sa mga advantages kapag meron kang digital products kasi pwede mo siyang ilagay sa Rocket PH, sa sarili mong website, or sa Etsy, sa Gumroad, yung mga other platforms just like that one. So, if you are asking on how I do this, so meron akong ibigay sa iyo na simple, free steps na tips so that you can start your own digital product business. First is you need to find an offer. Ano yung mga digital products na i-offer mo? It could be services or it could be digital downloads gaya ng ebooks, guides, templates, and so much more. And the second step is to find a platform kung saan mo gustong i-host yung digital products mo gaya dito sa Rocket PH. I personally used System.io and recommend as well if you want to build your business long term. Kasi dito, meron siyang funnels, meron siyang email automations that you can send follow-ups to your prospects. Magkaroon ka din ng sarili mong website. Pero kung ayaw mo naman ng ganun na setup, ayaw mong bumili ng sarili mong domain, ayaw mong magkaroon ng medyo complicated na process, kung gusto mo ng simple lang muna, since you're just getting started, then I highly recommend to go for Rocket PH. And the third step is to get traffic to your offer. So, dito na lalabas yung mga content creation, mga paid ads, mga social media marketing. And guys, if you want to learn more about this, or kung gusto mo ng online course that will teach you on how to make money with digital products, you can check the course that I personally enrolled para magkaroon din ako ng more knowledge and skills when it comes to selling digital products. You can check the link dun sa online course na sinasabi ko sa description ng video na ito. Hindi naman talaga compulsory guys na mag-take ka kaagad ng online course na kailangan mo magbayad ng online course to learn this one. Kasi marami na po tayong online tutorials dito sa YouTube or even sa TikTok that you can watch and apply kung ano yung natutunan mo. Kung gusto mo ng someone will guide you all through the way, then I highly recommend to take a paid course. And again guys, if you get value from this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, like and share this video as well. Kung gusto mo naman malaman kung paano gamitin si System.io for your digital product business, then meron akong ginawang video tutorial dito. Ayan. Click that one and I will see you on that video.